Hello, all my pigga. Today I am to give you a miracle, this crazy A-like text. If you want this, follow every step carefully. Okay, let's drive in. Want this. First, add your text and make it white. And then add spacing. Now add shadow and export. Now open Node Video and add glow effect and copy my settings. Now the main part of the text. Open Alight Motion, then add soft glow and copy my settings. I know it is long, but it will be worth. Then add edge glow and copy my settings. Add another edge glow and follow my settings. And then make the text color black, and then add the video export from Node Video. And go to Blend and make it screen. Boom, your A-like text is ready. Let me know what's next. Bye.